Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Soulmask error, and the error is the game process has crashed Soulmask. So if you are getting this error in Soulmask, or if you are getting fatal error or low level fatal error on PC, then here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart Steam or restart your PC. So open Steam, click on this word Steam and then click on exit. This will exit the Steam, and then again relaunch Steam and then launch the Soulmask game and check if your problem is solved or not. If that doesn't work, then just restart your PC once. Don't forget to restart your PC, and after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Soulmask game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix is to unsubscribe, remove or delete the mods. Well, the issue is most commonly caused by the old mods. Make sure you unsub from everything in workshop, and in case you have modes from outside of Steam such as Nexus modes, etc., then uninstall it or delete it, and then open the game folder, uninstall the game, make sure there's nothing in the folder, and then reinstall the game and then check. One user in Steam community has also mentioned that unsubscribing from the workshop alone didn't work for me. I also don't have external modes like Nexus modes. What worked for me was unsubscribing from all modes, uninstall Soulmask, then delete the whole Soulmask folder and then reinstall it after, and this solution has worked for that user. So try this fix also and see if your problem is solved or not. One user have also told to delete the mods folder. So go to the WS folder, content folder, and you will find the mods folder inside that. Now if you want to keep the backup of the mods folder, then you can also copy it and paste it to desktop to keep the backup of this folder, and then you can delete this mod folder, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 3 is to modify the game launch options. So open Steam, go to library and right click on Soulmask game. This is just an example I am showing with another game because I don't have Soulmask. So you have to right click on Soulmask and then select properties, and in the launch options first type -dx11, close the tab, launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties, and this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, again go to the properties, remove the launch options and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. The next solution is to, when you click on play button, then it will pop up like this, select launch options. You can select play DirectX 12 option and then click on play. You can also select the second option, that is a play DirectX 11 version, and then click on play. You can also select play safe mode and then click on play and check. So you can select any of the option like DirectX 12, DirectX 11 or safe mode and check which one work for you. Fix 4 is to update graphic card driver. So if you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, go to NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. What you have to do, you have to search and select your current graphic card driver version and install the latest version. And after updating the graphic card driver, just restart your PC and then launch the game and check. I'm showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So open the NVIDIA website, and once you're on this NVIDIA website, you have to enter your graphic card driver version over here and then select operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download, and once this exe file get downloaded, run it and install it, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Soulmask game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Soulmask. Again, this is just an example I am showing with another game, but you have to right click on Soulmask game and then select properties, go to the install files tab and then click on verify integrity of game files. And after the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 6 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website, link is provided in my video description, and once you're on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. Download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Again, if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the Soulmask game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then again restart your PC. And once your PC restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to download and install DirectX. So go to this Microsoft website. Again, link is provided in my video description. And once you're on this Microsoft website, click on download button. This will download the dxwebsetup.exe file. Just double click it and then install it. And after installing it, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Fix 9 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. Now, if none of these solutions work for you, then the last solution is simply uninstall Soulmask game from your PC and then just restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or external SSD drive. And then you can go ahead, launch the Soulmask game and check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes, you can easily fix Soulmask error, the game process has crashed Soulmask, or fatal error or low level fatal error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.